It's wonderful to see all of you here today, practicing yoga and taking care of your physical and mental well-being. I want to take this opportunity to talk to you about the benefits of yoga and how it can improve your overall quality of life. As you all know, yoga is a spiritual and physical practice that has been around for centuries. It originated in ancient India and has since spread all over the world. Yoga is known for its ability to enhance physical and mental well-being, and it has been proven to have a wide range of benefits. Let's start by talking about the history of yoga. The practice of yoga was developed as a way to achieve spiritual and physical balance, and it was later codified by the sage Patanjali in the Yoga Sutras. Since then, yoga has been practiced in different forms and has spread all over the world. Today, there are many different types of yoga, including Hatha yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Bikram yoga, and Iyengar yoga, to name a few. One of the most important benefits of yoga is that it can improve blood circulation. When you practice yoga, you engage in different movements that can help stimulate the circulatory system. Yoga movements help stretch and compress different parts of the body, which can help improve blood flow. Additionally, yoga helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can also have a positive impact on blood circulation. Improved blood circulation has many benefits for our body, including reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. It can also help our bodies deliver nutrients and oxygen more efficiently, leading to improved overall health. Now, let's talk about how yoga can help with cold hands and feet. Cold hands and feet are a common problem for many people, especially during the winter months. Yoga can help alleviate this problem by improving blood circulation. When you practice yoga, you engage in movements that can help stimulate blood flow to the extremities. This can help warm up your hands and feet and make you feel more comfortable. Furthermore, yoga can also improve your mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. The practice of yoga focuses on the connection between the mind and body, and by practicing regularly, you can learn to be present in the moment, reduce negative thoughts and emotions, and increase feelings of calm and relaxation. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health, and it can affect all areas of our lives. Improved mental well-being can lead to increased happiness, better relationships, and increased productivity. So, what is the minimum number of hours you should do yoga per day? If you are new to yoga, it is recommended that you start with a minimum of 15 minutes per day. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can increase the amount of time you spend doing yoga. The ideal amount of time varies from person to person, but most experts recommend practicing yoga for at least 30 minutes per day. Regular practice is key to experiencing the many benefits of yoga. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you can start to see improvements in both your physical and mental well-being. Now, I want to turn to you, the yoga members. Have any of you experienced improved blood circulation or warmer hands and feet after practicing yoga? Please feel free to share your experiences with us. It's great to hear that many of you have experienced positive changes in your body after practicing yoga. Whether it's improved blood circulation, warmer hands and feet, or reduced stress and anxiety, yoga has the ability to transform our physical and mental well-being. In conclusion, the benefits of yoga are numerous and far-reaching. From improving physical health to enhancing mental well-being and deepening spiritual practice, yoga is a powerful tool for improving overall quality of life. By practicing yoga regularly,